At Buckley's, we know the last thing you want waking you up at night is a cough, especially when it's your child who's coughing. Most people who work here at Buckley's are parents, so we know a nighttime cough is one of the toughest things on kids when they're sick. And that's why we make our Jack and Jill cough and cold syrups, to help kids feel better by relieving their symptoms. Right? Are you kidding?
Yes.
Jack and Jill Children's Cough and Cold Syrups. They work.